Hello viewers and subscribers, welcome to my YouTube channel, that is Jupiter Linked.
And I'm once again calling on all members of the Iranian Revolutionary Guard, the military and the police to lay down their arms. They're only going to be killed.
Habakran ha White House, u Presiden juga US u Donald Trump, ula Maham tyngeh yaki Shipai Iran bat yaki Pulit Iran, bakit Pyndem no yalade, hynrei kenyap, hakaba ulaong, barok ki dikhot juga Iranian Revolutionary Guard Corps, IRGC, kibdai ki Shipai Iran, bat ki Pulit Iran, kin Pyndem no yaki tirthma jongki, hynrei lem kumta kenyap. Utrom ulaong, ngidon yakari ka baklan, ngila job haki babun kiliang, ngala thung yaki Shipai, bat kandang thung yaki, bakin ai ka jing sekri ka bahoki ki pajba ha ka perthei ki Shipai jongi ki la trai kam sisa kum ha Venezuela bat ha Iran ki belawan ra sisa ya ka kerdan jongi kum bangilong menta laong susu utrom.
We have a great country. We have a country that's never done this well. We've had tremendous success in so many different ways. I built the military and rebuilt it in my first term, and we're using it more than I'd like to use it, to be honest with you. But when we used it, we found out it certainly did work. When we look at Venezuela, when we look at the first attack, Midnight Hammer in Iran, which really set the stage for what we're doing right now, it's been pretty amazing. And I'm once again calling on all members of the Iranian Revolutionary Guard, the military and the police to lay down their arms. They're only going to be killed. And now is the time to stand up for the Iranian people and help take back your country. You're going to have a chance after all these years to take back your country. Accept immunity. We'll give you immunity. And we'll be giving you really the right side of history, because that's what it is. So you'll be perfectly safe with total immunity, or you'll face absolutely guaranteed death. And I don't want to see that. They don't want to see it either. We also urge Iranian diplomats around the world to request asylum and to help us shape a new and better Iran with great potential. It's a country with great potential. There's much better future for Iran. It's now beginning. It's going to be, I think, a great future. And the United States will ensure that whoever leads the country next, Iran will not threaten America or its neighbors, Israel, anybody. If you look at what happened, they had missiles aimed at all of these other countries, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, UAE, many others that weren't really involved very much, and they had missiles aimed. Well, they were aimed there long before this ever started. They were going after the entire Middle East, and then we came along. We blew up their party.